You know, I kind of got the idea to do this video because I was at a GNC and a lady started telling me about the difficulties that she's had throughout 2020 and how she wishes that she could make more money. And I started telling her, have you tried, doing something online? She was like, I don't know. I don't know how to do it. And then I proceeded for the next 30 minutes to stay at the GNC, explaining her about the different ways that she can make money. But in hindsight, there's only 3 legitimate ways to make money online. So let's talk about that. Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Carlos. Welcome back to the channel. Here where we talk all things fitness, finance related topics, and we legitimize the only ways that you can do something. Guys, today I want to talk to you guys about something that a lot of people are wondering on how to do right now, but they don't really know how to get into it, and that is making money online. Because the truth is, it's not very difficult, you just need to know how to. But before we get started in today's video, let's go ahead and smash that like button, like Graham Stephan likes to say. If you haven't subscribed to this channel already, why don't you go ahead and do that? If this is not the first time you're seeing me, it's the universe telling you you gotta subscribe to the channel. I'd like to thank everybody who has supported to this moment, and that you guys are always up to date. If you haven't already, hit the notification bell so you guys can get always the latest update to whatever we post. We post every week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. I hope you guys can connect to them. And with that, let's get right into today's video. So when you talk to people about making money online, they're clueless sometimes and they have no idea. And especially if they're of the older generation, they don't really have much idea on how to get into it. You still have to understand that it's pretty simple. You just have to know how to do it. And really, there's only 3 legitimate ways that you can make money online. I want to give a quick shout out to Ali Abdal's YouTube channel because I kind of got a little bit of inspiration from him, because he's a great guy. Guys, you should go support him if you guys haven't seen him already. But I've gotten a lot of questions on how you can make money online, but there's only 3 things that really go into making money online. Number 1 is you gotta sell a service. Number 2, you gotta sell a product. And number 3, you gotta sell attention/value. So those are the 3 ways that you can make money online. But let's talk about the very first one, selling a service. When you sell a service, what are you doing? You're basically going out and you're providing something to someone that they're in need of at the moment. So for example, you have people that are able to do video editing stuff and they're able to sell that service to other people. That's one way. Another way is that if you're a virtual assistant, virtual assistants are selling a service. They make tons of money because they are giving out that which other people are doing. The great thing about selling a service on the internet is that you can do it from your house. All you need is your computer, all you need is a good internet access, and you're able to do a lot of the things that requires you for an online thing. You go to fiverr.com or you go to Upwork and you can post your services there. So if you're barely starting off, you would put yourself less than other people, but people are just gonna start sending you work. They're gonna tell you, I need some of this, I need some of that done, and then you're gonna go ahead, accept it, and might not be a lot. It might be like $30 per everything. But typically you're like, but I'm really good, but you're just starting off and you have no background. Maybe you have a hidden talent that you don't know so far. You can go ahead and go to places such as Skillshare and then figure out on how to do something. Maybe you want to help people video edit. Maybe you want to help people do something in the graphic design. You go learn the skill and then provide it to the other people at a price. That is the first way. But truthfully, that's not the best way, because at that time you are selling your time for money. It's kind of like working a 9-to-5 job when they typically tell you, look, if you work from this hour to this hour, I'll pay you $25 each hour. Depending on how well you do, that's how much you're gonna make. And a lot of people are like, okay, that's pretty good. So it's kind of like that. You're trading in your time for money, which is not the most effective way to make money on the internet. You can make money like that, but you can make so much more with the second one. That is to sell a product. The way you sell a product online, you don't even have to have an actual domain. You don't even have to have an actual store. You can even be using places such as Instagram or a place such as TikTok to promote whatever thing that you're selling. It could be something DIY, or it can be something that you do Amazon FBA through. Whichever one you decide to do, it's probably the best way to make money online. Why? Because it's not limited to time and it's not limited to you. you can go ahead and make it so you pay somebody else to do all the shipping, to do all the handling, to do the manufacturing, and you just act as the middleman. And that's probably the easiest way. Why? Because there's people all over the world that are on the internet and that are always on Amazon, that are always on everywhere, just looking for something to buy. It says that people are buying so much nowadays that even though it's been a pandemic, people are just still buying like crazy. One of the best ways to do it is to create a product and to bring demand for that product. So what does that mean? Do something that people really enjoy. If you try and come with a fidget spinner, you're not gonna get a lot of people coming for you. Fidget spinners are not cool anymore. No one cares about fidget spinners. They just care about what's the next big thing. Avocado toast was a thing. It's out now. Then it was Pokemon cards. They're out now. So you gotta constantly be looking at what is the next big thing. What am I gonna get next? What is gonna be it? You gotta be looking for that. So you gotta do some research. But that whatever product that may be, it has to be a winner, because you also have to provide demand for it. Because if people don't know that you're selling this product, no one's gonna know. So the cool thing about this is that there is an initial fee up front, like an investment on your part, but then after that, nothing else. Then it just pays for itself once it starts going. It's like pushing a rock down the hill. It takes over after a certain point, and you just sit back and get the money. And lastly, the third way to make money is to sell attention/value. If you want a good example of those people, you can think of a YouTuber, you could think of a TikToker, you could think of an influencer on Instagram or wherever. Those are people that sell attention because they make money by basically providing awareness. If you're on YouTube, you're basically providing awareness, whether it be for this or for that. That's why a lot of places go and they advertise or they sponsor your videos in order for you to do something. They go and they sponsor your videos. That way you can talk about their things. And that's where as well affiliate marketing comes in, where you can put links in the description of your videos, and then people can go and find out, wow, you actually, you can get that, and then you take a commission from everybody that you send to Amazon, to wherever you might be selling a product. Now the best one, in my opinion, is the third one, because from that third one you can branch out to the other ones. Typically, once you've created a following on social media, then you can drive those people over to your other stuff. You can drive them over to your online courses, whatever it may be. Those are some of the best ways to make money online, because there's a joke on the internet that the best way to make money online is to talk about how to make money online. So if you want to do that, for me, the best one is the third one, because from that third one, you can then go ahead and provide a product or a service that you can provide people. And guess what? Now you don't only have one source of income, now you have three, and you're doing from every single one, and you can do it over and over again, scaling it to however big you're able to scale it up to. Guys, that was the 30-minute talk that I had with that lady. It was shortened down for you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed, because there's a lot of things to do on the internet, but really it just boils down to those three things. Guys, it really is not that difficult. You guys can get into it. You guys can do it. If you wanted to start selling something online, you can do it. You just got to think, what am I going to sell? And then plan it, do it, execute it, and I'm sure you guys will be able to do it. And that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And with that, guys, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Take care.